Good, let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Yeah. Good job. Let's do one more with it. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Mike from Grassroots K9, reporting back to you. Kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of video on what we've been up to the past couple of weeks. So we had a little mini kind of seminar tour that we were on, and you know, today I want to show you, it was a really cool opportunity because there's a puppy program being set up at a police agency over on the West Coast. And what was really unique about it is that a lot of these like puppy programs have kind of sprung up at agencies in the area. So we got to work with, you know, these young prospective police puppies and kind of show them how we raise our puppies and things that we do with them. What was even cooler is that it was kind of free flowing. So obviously we had like a presentation, and then we kind of just worked each puppy and you know, targeted areas where we believe that would be most beneficial to the puppies themselves, but also to the agencies as a whole. One of the you know, just in discussions, one of the handlers brought up that, you know, they've been the dogs that they use, their entire canine unit is kind of integrated with their tactical team or their quote unquote SWAT. So they were saying that they can sometimes run into issues with, you know, getting the dogs used to kind of movement amongst the team and kind of integrating with the team. Now, my full disclaimer here is that I am no tactical guy whatsoever. I'm just a dog guy. But one thing I do understand is kind of generalizing behaviors. So we kind of shot some ideas back and forth, and then we went to trying an exercise to help integrate puppies at a young age with moving between a team and seeing that kind of uniform neutrality. So we did it with food, so we can keep the dog or the puppies in a clearer state of mind. I truly believe a lot of times we run into issues with integrating dogs in this manner because we try to do it with older dogs that have been taught bite their whole life, and not so much kind of target discrimination. So we started with the puppies and just had the team kind of not really doing like their actual entry movements, but almost purposely kind of standing in front of the dogs and making them have to kind of weave in and out of them, and progressively made you know, the target further into the room, target being kind of me with their food bowl at this moment. It was unique in that we got to, you know, do it. I think the youngest puppy that did it was 12 weeks old, all the way up to, I want to say 16 to 18 month old puppies. So I wanted to just kind of show you guys this video. Hope you guys enjoy, and let me know what you think. Have you done anything like this, or do you plan on doing anything like this? How you're going to integrate it with the teams that you work with? I think that this is golden. We've done similar things with our puppies at a younger age, but this is the first time that we got to do it with puppies that haven't been raised kind of in our program. And they all took really well to it. So hope you guys find it useful. Like always, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see a video on next. Talk to you soon. All right, here is kind of just the raw footage of how those sessions went. Boom, right now. Yep. Yeah, good girl. Come get him. Back up a little, come on. All right. Yeah, let him go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we can take him back out. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Good man. Good man. We'll do one more with him. All right, you guys come in. Yep. Yeah, buddy, good job. Ah, boy. Good man. Pull him back a little bit. Team, come in. Let him go.
Good. Okay. You're not much hurt.
There he goes. Oh. The pointer. Coming in?
Yeah. Dog.
Yeah! Good man. Good job. Good job. There's still food there. Good, and you'll put him up on that. Just pull him back. All right, team. Dog. Buddy. Good. Now put him on, pull back. Got some more in here. We're good.
Look at that ACL you used to have.
That's good. So yeah, I would go to hunts with him.
Yeah.
It's my finger stupid.
The first one for the last bag of cheesies.
That's right.
So maybe this one, you guys don't stack up this. Let him come and get some food from me right here.
I'm not sure what's going to happen.
This one, you guys can fill in.
100%
He would bite me. He's just dead. Like the old school dogs, you know. We get all these just.
We're good. Comes in. Pull him back. Woo. Oh, man. He's like, oh, this game's pretty fun. He's like, yeah.